Ready to build a simple Android app without wrestling with code right away? Let's start building our app's user interface, the very foundation of our application. With Adobe Dreamweaver, our handy design tool and rapid prototyping tool, open Dreamweaver and create a new, blank HTML document. This is where our app's layout will come to life. Switch to the design view to see a visual representation of our app. Start adding elements like buttons, text fields, and images. Dreamweaver allows us to drag and drop elements from its insert panel, creating a visual app design and interface. Think of it as building your app's appearance, similar to designing a website. Now, customize these with Dreamweaver's properties panel. Adjust colors, sizes, fonts, and other properties to give your app a unique look. You can visualize what your app will look like and see how changes affect it immediately. This view is perfect for rapid prototyping since you can see the layout of your app come to life instantly. Dreamweaver writes the underlying HTML code for you. In the code view, this HTML code defines the structure and content of our user interface. If you are HTML savvy, you can edit this directly. Even if you're not, you'll still want to test how your app looks. Once our design is finalized, bring your designs into Android Studio. Here you can recreate your Dreamweaver design and your elements into the Android application structure. Android Studio is where the app will be built. You crafted your user experience. Now see your app work on your mobile device. From Dreamweaver design to Android Studio implementation, you have successfully designed a simple Android app. Congratulations!